How to see your Facebook friendship date. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can see your friendship date on Facebook app. Now, if you have been friend on Facebook with certain someone and you want to see their friendship date, then all you have to do is open up the app first. And once you open up, you'll get an interface like this. Now what you want to do is tap on the three line icon on the top right corner of your screen, just below the message icon. And here on your shortcuts, you'll be able to find the option friends. Tap on it and you'll get an interface like this, and then tap on your friends and you'll be able to see all your friends here. Now, if you want to see a particular friendship date, then what you want to do is tap on the three dots option just beside the profile and profile name. And here, just below the username or the Facebook name, you can see the friendship date with them. You can see that I've been friend with this particular person since January 2023. Now here you'll be able to see the month that you two became friends and the year, but you won't be able to see the date. So yeah, Facebook doesn't give you that option to know the exact date, but you can see the exact month and the year. So this way you can see your Facebook friendship date. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.